Good morning student, welcome back to the next video. In today's video, I am going to explain lesson 19 Gulliver's in the Lands of Little Men second part. Before starting the lesson, let me continue the story so that you can understand the story. Once an Englishman named Gulliver was traveling in a ship beyond India. Suddenly what happened? A ship struck a rock and broke into pieces, and Gulliver was escaped from death, and rest all they were drowned in the sea. Gulliver was a good swimmer also, and he reached an island. After a long swim, Gulliver was tired and he wanted to take rest, and he slept for a long time. When he woke up, he found that his legs and arms were unable to move, and they were tied with leather strip. His hair was also tied with leather strips because his hair was very thick and long. After a few minutes, he heard a strange sound near him. So, and he felt that something was moving on his left leg. Then he looked up and he saw that little man, not more than 6 inches high, with a bow and arrow in his hand. And he saw hundreds of other tiny men like him, and they all had a bow and arrow in their hand. And they, by looking this, Gulliver was greatly surprised, and he shouted. And when he pulled out his arm, the tiny cords broke as he moved his left arm, and this makes the little men frightened. And around him all the little men were frightened, and they ran back in fear, and from a distance shot an arrow with a number of little arrows. But they did not hurt Gulliver because they were very small. Now Gulliver was feeling very hungry, so he wanted to eat something. So Gulliver was not knowing the language of little man, and little man also not knowing the language of Gulliver. So he pointed with his hand that he wanted food. After some time, the tiny man understood the language, and they were understand the language that Gulliver was asking for food. So let's begin. Up to I explain you all. Now I'll continue with that. Soon they placed ladder against his side and carried basket of food to his mouth. Ladder means siri. They bought lots of mutton and loaves of bread. Mutton means flesh of sheep used as food. Loaves of bread मतलब रोटी की रोटियाँ. They were so small and so little that Gulliver finished the food within a few minutes. What happened when little man understood that Gulliver wanted to eat food? Then they placed ladder against his side and carried a basket of food to his mouth, and they bought muttons and loaves of bread for Gulliver to eat. But what happened? The muttons and loaves of bread what they bought, they were in a very small quantity and very little for the Gulliver, because he was very big as mountain, and he finished within a few minutes. Next, they bought many barrels of wine, and they rolled these barrels over his chest up to his chin. Barrels of wine means शराब की बोतल है ना, बैरल्स. अब थोड़ी देर के बाद उन्होंने शराब की बोतल लाई और दे रोल्ड दिस बैरल्स ओवर हिज चेस्ट अप टू द चिन, मतलब उसको रोल्ड करते करते लेकर के आए, ढुलगाते ढुलगाते लेकर के आए उसके चिन तक. विथ ग्रेट डिफ़िकल्टी दे पोर्ड द वाइन इनटू हिज माउथ, और बहुत कठिनाइयों के बाद उसके मुंह में वो वाइन को डाले. Gulliver asked for more food and wine, but they had no more food left. The little men were greatly surprised to see the amount of food Gulliver ate. After some time, the little man began to run all over his body, and Gulliver soon fell asleep. Then when they gave mutton and loaves of bread, mm, mm, but it was very, they were very small, so small and so little, and Gulliver finished within a few minutes. Then they poured wine into his mouth. After a great difficulty, they poured wine into his mouth, but Gulliver asked more food to eat, but there they had no more food left, and the little men were greatly surprised to see that how much food Gulliver ate, and there is no more food left. So after some time the little man began to run over his body, and Gulliver soon fell asleep. गलीवर को और भूख लग रही थी, उसने उसने और खाना मांगा, तो उन्होंने उनके पास खाना नहीं था, और वह बहुत सरप्राइज्ड हो गए देखकर कि इतना सारा खाना गुलिवर खा लिया। और तब यह देख कर के लिटिल मैन, जो छोटे छोटे मैन थे, वो उसके शरीर पर दौड़ने लग गए और गलिवर फिर से सो गया। The chief city of the islands was half a mile from the place where Gulliver was lying. When the king of the little men heard about the strange used man, he ordered his man to bring Gulliver to the city. Where the Gulliver was lying, it was half a mile from the place of the kings of the little men. When the king of the little men heard about the strange huge man, he ordered his man to bring Gulliver to the city. For that they made a long carriage with hundreds of wheels. Carriage means savari ka dabba. For that, to take Gulliver to the city, they made a long carriage with hundreds of wheels. उसमें हंड्रेड्स ऑफ व्हील्स के चक्के लगे और वो कैरेज डब्बा बनाया जिसमें हंड्रेड्स ऑफ व्हील्स लगे और उसको एक डब्बा बना करके लाया। 900 of strongest men of the islands lifted Gulliver to this carriage, और उसके लिए 900 स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट मैन, जो अच्छे खासे मैन थे, उसको आइलैंड से सिटी तक लाने के लिए 900 मैन लगे उस डब्बे में बैठाने के लिए। 1500 of the king horses pulled the carriage. How many horses they pulled? Gulliver's 1500 of king's horse they pulled the carriage. After 2 days they managed to bring the sleeping Gullivers to the king city. 2 दिन लगा उनको गुलिवर को लाने के लिए किंग सिटी में, और गुलिवर्स उस कैरेज में सो रहा था। In the city they untied the strips and Gulliver was able to stand up. And they untied the strips and Gulliver was unable to stand up. However, they tied his hand with strong chain. The king and queen and thousands of little men came to see Gulliver. They all called him a man mountain. They had never seen such a huge man. And in the city they untied the strips and Gulliver was able to stand up. So Gulliver was able to, when he able to stand up, the king and queen, they all came to see the Gulliver, and they all called him, the little man, king and queen, they all called him Gulliver, a man mountain, and they had never seen such a huge man in their सिटी। किंग और क्वीन और वहाँ के जो छोटे छोटे आदमी थे वो गुलिवर को देखने के लिए आए, और उन्होंने उसका नाम दिया मैन माउंटेन। और इतना ह्यूज मैन उन्होंने आज तक कभी अपनी सिटी में नहीं देखा। For many months Gulliver lived happily on the islands of the little man, and Gulliver lives very happily on the islands of the little man. And the king ordered 300 men to make food for Gulliver's. 500 tailors were engaged to stitch a new suit for him. 10 wise men of the king court were sent to teach Gulliver their language. After many months of learning, Gulliver was able to understand their language. When king and queen saw Gulliver's, then they called him a man mountain, and Gulliver lived very happily on the islands of little man, and he learned language also. And how many? 10 wise men of the king courts were sent to teach Gullivers their language, and 500 tailors were engaged in stitching new suits for him, and king 300 men to make food for Gulliver. 300 men were engaged in making food for Gullivers. Then what happened? One day Gulliver overheard the king chief minister speaking to the king. Overheard means hear a conversation without the knowledge of the speaker. Man mountain, or else he will eat up all our food. There will be no more food left on this islands to feed us all. Let's give him little food each day, so that he will begin thinner and thinner and die in the end. One day, what happened? Gulliver heard that the king chief minister was speaking that we must get rid of this. He was hearing the conversation without the knowledge of the Gulliver, that king chief minister was not knowing that Gulliver was hearing this, and he was telling to his king that if Man Mountain, he has eaten up all our food, and there will be no more food left on the islands to feed us. So we will give little food, so that he will become thinner and thinner. At last he will die in the end. गुलिवर चीफ मिनिस्टर की बात सुन रहा था. चीफ मिनिस्टर को पता नहीं था कि वह किंग से कुछ बता रहा है. उसने बताया कि ये जो मैन माउंटेन है, इसने हमारे यहाँ का सारा खाना ख़त्म कर दिया और हमारे आइलैंड्स में खाना और नहीं बचा है. अगर इसको हम ऐसे ही खाना देते गए तो सारा खाना तो ख़त्म हो चुका है. तो उसने कहा कि हम इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा फूड देंगे, ताकि यह धीरे धीरे पतला हो जाएगा. कम खाना मिलेगा, धीरे धीरे पतला हो जाएगा. पतला होते होते एक दिन वह मर जाएगा. When Gulliver heard their plan, he decided to escape from the islands. One day he found an old boat lying on the seashore. When he heard their plan that they wanted to make thinner and thinner, at last they make them to die in the end. So Gulliver decided that he will escape these islands, and one day he found an old boat lying on the seashore. यह सुन करके गुलिवर उनके प्लान को समझ गया कि वो लोग उसको मारना चाहते हैं. तो वह यह सुन करके कि वो उस आइलैंड को छोड़ना चाहता था. और एक दिन उसने देखा कि एक ओल्ड बोट सीशोर के किनारे पड़ी है. एंड ही रिपेयर्ड इट एंड फिटेड अ सेल टू इट. और उसने उसको रिपेयर किया और उसको फिट बनाया समुद्र में चलने के लिए. लेटर व्हेन द वेदर वाज फाइन, ही सेल्ड ऑफ इनटू द सी. आफ्टर सम डेज ऑफ सेलिंग ही वाज नोटिस्ड बाय द क्रू ऑफ पासिंग शिप. दे पिक्ड हिम अप एंड टुक हिम बैक टू इंग्लैंड. देखा और उसने उसको रिपेयर करके इतना फिट बनाया कि वह समुद्र में चलने के लायक हो गई. और वह थोड़े दिन के बाद देखा, जब मौसम अच्छा था तो उसको लेकर के निकल पड़ा. और उसने देखा कि वह नोटिस बाय द क्रू ऑफ पासिंग द सी. क्रू मीन्स कर्मी दल के पास वह पहुंच गया, इंग्लैंड पहुंच गया. देयर ही नरेटेड हिज एडवेंचरस ऑन द आइलैंड्स ऑफ लिटिल मैन, बट मेनी डिड नॉट बिलीव हिम. और वहाँ जाकर अपनी स्टोरी बताने लगा. एडवेंचर मतलब साहसिक कार्य को बताने लगा. आइलैंड्स मीन्स द्वीप. अपने साहसिक कार्य को उसने बताने लगा. लेकिन कोई भी उसकी बात को विश्वास नहीं कर रहा था कि लिटिल मैन के जंगल से वह कैसे भागा, उन्होंने उसको कैसे पकड़ा और वह शिप में कैसे डूब गया था. ये सब चीज़ उसने लोगों को बताया. Children, I hope that you all understood the story of Gulliver. So, before ending this lesson, let me explain the difficult words which we came across in today's portion. First one, Gulliver, Gulliver, Gulliver. Second one, traveling, Travling, traveling. Third, escaped, Escaped, escaped. Fourth one, strips, Strips. Fifth one, strange, strange, strange. Sixth one, chords, chords, chords. Seventh one, frightened, frigstened, frightened. Eighth one, understood, understood, understood. Ninth one, loaves. 10th, barrels of wine, barrels, barrels of wine, 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 शराब की बोतल. Man mountain, man, mountain, mountain. 12th one, lying, lying, lying. 13th, sailed, sailed, sailed. 14th, picked, picked, picked. 15th, adventurous, adventurous, adventurous. That's all, student. I hope you all understood this lesson. And children, what you have to do it, you have to read this lesson, and the word I marked with red sketch pen, you have to learn that difficult words, and you have to do practice in your rough notebook while writing these difficult words. Thank you. Goodbye, children.